So we are here at Twin Lakes Golf Course for the Fairfax County Park Authority's 4th annual Lunar New Year celebration.
First of all, happy Lunar New Year. It's a great to celebrate the Asian cultures that we have here in Fairfax County.
So we wanted to bring a Lunar New Year festival right here to Fairfax County. So we have crafts, we have performances, we have red decorations everywhere, and it's all going to be live and right here for the residents of Fairfax County. A lot of the performers and even some of the craft makers, they are all residents and community partners of Fairfax County. So we are really excited to make sure that the community and the attendees know that this culture is happening right here and is being preserved to this very day. We've invited groups that are representing Chinese, Vietnamese, and Korean culture, and all of these people are residents of Fairfax County.
The event is amazing today, and the preparation of the performers, all of the hard work that's gone into this, we really appreciate all the work of the community to bring this to their Fairfax and share this with the broader Fairfax community.
When we look at the New Year, we're not just looking at the Chinese traditions, we're looking to expand and look at how a lot of other cultures celebrate. Fairfax County is extremely diverse, and we want to create an equal access opportunity for people to come and celebrate with us.
And one of the things that we can do is make sure we're bringing people together to celebrate all the rich history, diversity, and culture that we have here.
So Fairfax County is extremely diverse, and we want to make sure that this kind of representation is available for everyone. We think that diversity and equity are at the utmost of importance, and we want to make sure that people can come and celebrate with us here. This event exists for the community first and foremost. So all throughout the year, the Fairfax County Park Authority puts on events for the community. So if you just check out our website, you can see what's coming up next.